Hi, this is Saita Mankar.
Hi, this is Priya Bapat,
And
you
you're
are
watching
watching
Bollywood
Bollywood Hangama.
Well, we have two beautiful ladies and इनकी फिल्म आ रही है, मराठी फिल्म आ रही है वजनदार, and आपको देखकर इनको बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगेगा कि that they could have done this movie called वजनदार. They're supposed to play women who are slightly on the heavier side. आप इनको देखेंगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि that it's a second version of them and maybe younger sisters or whatever. We have with us साई तमानकर and प्रिया बापट. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप लोगों का बॉलीवुड हंगामा पे.
Thank you.
so much.
एंड बहुत ही दिलचस्प प्रोमो था एंड काफी आप लोग एंजॉय भी आप लोग कर रहे हैं. एक सटायर के फॉर्म में कहीं ना कहीं एक व्यंग आपने करने की कोशिश करी दैट women इट नीड नॉट बी दैट if they are slightly on the heavier side it need not be that they stop being beautiful or desirable. Would you like to add something to that?
Absolutely. I think size does not matter. Your health matters. So, no matter what size you are, you need to be healthy. Because that's going to help you in the long run, not your size. So आजकल जो सब साइज के पीछे पड़े हैं कि मुझे पतला होना है, मुझे पतला दिखना है. ठीक है, पतले होने में कोई हर्ज नहीं है, पर उसके लिए आप जो शॉर्टकट्स that you follow are very dangerous.
Correct.
So from this film, we are emphasizing on this attitude that you should be healthy at the end of the day, and your size does not matter. Eventually, you need to love yourself the way you are.
The way you are. And there's this line in the promo as well that Kareena Kapoor का size 0 है and she had idli for that. So I think आपने in fact बोला है. आपका कैसा experience रहा doing something like this, which is and it's not an easy thing to do because आप लोगों ने weight put on करना है, and for any woman to just portray a character which is slightly on the heavier side, it requires lots of guts as well.
It does. It requires lots of guts and hard work, both.
Okay.
Because putting on weight is not an easy task. Probably you know how to lose weight. There are remedies, and you know that probably when you do this much of workout, and if you won't consume calories, you're bound to lose weight. But putting on weight is such a thing that you don't know how your body is going to respond to that because you have never done that before. That was the most difficult task in this entire 1 year process that we both had to go through for around 1.5 months.
Right.
And I did put on some 16 odd kgs and
My
she
God.
did some 10 odd kgs.
My God.
It was a very, very painful task in terms of emotionally also because you are not used to with that kind of body with yourself, which is the most important thing that we are going to want to convey this in the film, that you first have to love yourself, get comfortable with yourself. So we needed to show that discomfort of our own bodies, which we actually could feel it because we were not comfortable with what we were at that time.
Right.
Both of us 16 kgs overweight was absolutely not good enough for ourselves because
Right.
we couldn't I couldn't tie my shoelace on my own. I couldn't bend because my tummy used to come in between, and my legs, my feet used to pain a lot because of the overweight. So it was not only physical effort, it was a lot of emotional effort as well.
No, I'm sure it must have been. I'm sure that it must have been as well. There is a very interesting moment in the promo जब आप लोग डिस्क में जाते हैं and you're having like a wild time and उसका फिर वीडियो कहीं ना कहीं circulate जाता है. Would you like to say something about that? What exactly is that happening over there? You guys are just having a
That
good
you will have to wait till the 11th of
11th of
November
November,
because
okay.
That video says a lot. मतलब कहानी से काफी जुड़ा हुआ है वीडियो, तो उसके बारे में हम बात नहीं कर सकते, पर ऐसी कुछ चीज है जिससे हमारी दोनों की लाइव्स बदल जाती है. वी चेंज फॉर गुड. और फिर क्या होता है इज द फिल्म. सो 11th November तक आई थिंक यू विल हैव टू wait to find out
Sure.
what the video is.
You know, in fact, when I'm just looking at Sai Tamankar right now, I'm just going back to the interview that we did with her this year itself, and you know, you're looking far more beautiful and prettier, and your face is looking far more as if like it's like a younger sister or whatever. क्या है आपने? No, seriously.
So no, really, Vazandar has. It will not only motivate the audience, but it has motivated us as well. After putting on so much weight, ऐसा था कि चलो अब हम इसमें भी comfortable हो गए. अब what next? So putting on weight and losing weight is a very big part of an actor's life. रोल के लिए करना पड़ता है, कभी आप हॉलीडे पे हो, वजन बढ़ जाता है, यू कांट हेल्प इट. सो वजनदार के बाद आई सरेंडर्ड टू द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बीइंग हेल्दी all over again. And I decided to be healthy after वजनदार, मतलब ज़्यादा dedication के साथ, ज़्यादा concentration के साथ. So probably थोड़ी सी मैं health conscious हो गई हूँ, ज़्यादा fitness conscious हो गई हूँ.
जी, तो कर क्या रही हैं आप? Like what exactly are you doing?
To be very honest, I am drinking lot of garam pani.
That's in the promo as well.
Lukewarm water and घर का खाना is my key right now, if you ask me. क्योंकि हमें बहुत दिनों से वर्कआउट के लिए तो टाइम नहीं मिला. We've been running around here and there.
You've been having like so many movies.
Yeah, so I've
I've been busy the last 3 months just promoting films. I
More
guess.
than that.
Yeah, so
More than that.
3 months I've been promoting and having lukewarm water and घर का खाना, and that's helping.
Okay, constantly on.
So you
on,
know
on the
that
move.
running around everywhere is already burning a lot of calories.
Okay,
I
it
think.
is.